Digital Agriculture Mission. This mission has been started recently at the Krishi Bhavan central government, and the idea is to engage private players and provide services to the farmers in terms of largely information. So the steps are to create a farmers database, which the government is already having to the order 5.5 CR, and the idea is to increase it further to 10 CR by the year end. And this database is there to understand what kind of farming activities being done by this farming community and what kind of support services information they can be provided. So here the digital platform is largely to reach to the right farmers to the right time with the right information. And here the technologies, all the noble technologies will be leveraged, be it artificial intelligence or geographical information system, all or blockchain or others, all will be integrated, leveraged, and supported in order to make decisions, reach out to these farmers and help them, guide them, and in fact, beyond farmers as well, the complete agriculture value chain needs to be supported in terms of what kind of market pricing at what location is there and what are the options farmers are having. So it's done with a long vision. It's a 5-year mission, and companies like GeoKrishi, ITC, already having a name in eChopal. Then we have Cisco here, NCDEX, E-Markets Limited, NEML, then other companies. So these are the companies signed MOUs. NinjaCart is there. So these companies signed MOUs with Ministry of Agriculture, central government, and the idea is to collaborate data and align those with the land records and have something like farmers ID, so that centrally we understand the farmers and we understand what kind of activities they are doing and how they can be provided services, what kind of services they are looking for. They are provided digitally through artificial intelligence and other things, and what kind of soil health they are working on. So all the complete value chain they can be supported with these technologies. So that idea, it's a long-term vision, and a lot is backed, a lot is based. The entire farming agri economy is based on this, and it's very important for our big nation, wherein agriculture is something major contributor to the employment and GDP. So this will provide enhance the growth rate within the sector. One concern what has been raised is the data leakage and data privacy. So that is something the government needs to be very careful handling this 5 to 10 crore database of farmers. They need to be careful and do not leak the data for other malpractices. So that thing needs to be uh, catered to. Thank you.